Go.
Hello everybody, welcome to This Is My Tesla Model Y channel on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe my videos. Like and subscribe to the channel. Like the videos, subscribe to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of the Ganlery Professional Seller for Auto Parts Center Console Storage Box Set for the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. So this is the opening of this. This is what you'd receive in there, and everything is bubble wrapped. Nice, nice. So there's no damage in shipping, right? So this part here, I'll just unwrap all this, the bubble wrap, and then we'll go and we'll show you the install. So here's a piece for a hidden compartment where you have storage. Obviously, there you go. There's some storage. We'll put this down. Put this down here, right? So the camera is going to focus on the other things in here, which are some more storage containers for in your console. And it comes, obviously, too, with the felt, just like it's in your center console for your Tesla Model Y. So let's put that there. And then we'll do this. Cup holders. These are the cup holders that they come with. All right. Here's some more cup holders. And the rubber. This is all very, very kept very packaged, really good. Jeez. So here's the cup holders. These will fit directly into the cup holder spot. We'll get that. And last but not least, there's 4 pieces in this set. And this is piece number 4, where we have another holder, right? Another storage container, put in your thing. So next, we're gonna so now here we are in the car, and you take a look at the cup holder. It has this little center piece here for storage, closes, nice. So the cup holder here goes directly into here with ease, as you see. And now we have a cup holder for anything, but it keeps the original cup holder nice and durable. You open that up, you got that. And next, so the next one we have, right, is this one here. The next one we have is this one here. We'll take this out, fix this first. Oh no, this is great. Don't worry about that. So you can take this out as well. It's easy cleaning, right? It's easy for cleaning. Then you go like that, close that, put that back in like that. Maybe even, you can put that in like this. So anyways, this is the next one. This one here, easy storage in here. You put that down like that, right there. Now it slides. You slide it back and forth. A nice little tray for your knickknacks and whatnot to hide. And underneath, you have all your other stuff. Right? And hold on, I'll pull this back here, put that there, closes perfect. Your second last piece that you have here, this goes into here like this, and here you still have room for your plug-in for your 9-volt battery, 9-volt charger thing there if you want to do that. Right? So there's that. And finally, we have this for your hidden compartment. Your hidden compartment right here goes in here like this. You fold these back, and it goes in here like that. And you would take that off and take that off. Oh, there you go. Guess I should have done that a little better, but nonetheless, there you go. It's in there, right? Now you got a place here to store whatever nicely fits pretty good. You just got to push it in. There we go. Maybe that's how that goes. See? Boom, 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 boom. All right. You can put things in there. And then you close it. There you go. Everything's closed. So that's basically some nice storage containers for your Tesla Model Y. And it's to keep it nice and clean and organized. So once again, like the channel or subscribe to the channel, like this video, take a look at some of my other videos, see what you like, and let me know in the comments what you think about these nice little storage features. And also in the comments, you might want to let me know what other type of videos you'd like. All right, until then, till our next video, you take care.